Well, how are you doing today? It's 2 days after the 4th of July, and I think I recovered beautifully. Had a wonderful day. Thank you very much, Glenda. Appreciate that. And David and Chris. Great hosts and hostess. I appreciate that very much. This is Love the Performing Arts Part 5. We've done 4 of these, and there hasn't been anything posted here on YouTube about it. And I hate that. I really do. I really wish that you would all make some kind of a remark on here if you do watch this. It helps me know I'm actually being heard. Today I'm going to do a little song that I wrote that's to a very famous melody. It's a song that, let's see if I can get this, maybe get this sound a little bit better here. I have a feeling I may very well be, is that a little bit better? No? Oh, hello. I'll get the door, excuse me. Oh, no, never mind. Anyway, I was thinking maybe I should have probably turned, there we go. Let me do this. There we go. I am still learning this. There's so much to learn. It really is. Anyway, I'm going to do a little song. That's a lyric that I wrote that's to a very, very popular tune. A tune I'm sure most of you know. But I want to let you know that it is not supposed to be blasphemous against the song. The song is the sound of music. It's a song that I love dearly, as I do the rest of the score in the show. So I'm not trying to make fun of the song at all, but it seems the appropriate song, since the topic of my lyric has to do with those sounds that tend to overshadow those wonderful sounds of nature and music that Oscar Hammerstein's brilliant lyrics get across. The sounds of birds chirping in the trees, or breezes and wind, or a brook, water running across the brook. These are great sounds, wonderful sounds. And Oscar Hammerstein did a wonderful job to the tune of Richard Rodgers' music in creating that sort of atmosphere. I thought it would be something of a hoot to sort of put my 2 cents into a lyric that I wrote having to do with a particular sound that I really get very, very, very tired of. And that's the sound of lawnmowers. And I thought there's a couple of different messages here. Mostly it's about the noise. But there's another message here too that I briefly touch upon in the lyrics. And, you know, look me up on Facebook and we'll talk about it, or maybe here on YouTube. But the song is called, as I wrote the lyrics, The Sound of Lawnmowers. Music by Richard Rodgers, copyright 1959. Alternate lyrics by, oh, I think that's better, yes. Alternate lyrics by Joe Comer, copyright 2012. Now, I'm recording this directly through YouTube rather than going through my UCam and then maybe editing as I go along. So I hope that it's not, I hope that this will work. We shall see. Here's the song. The yards are alive with the sound of lawnmowers. The noise is so loud that it's hard to hear. The air that we breathe is up by lawnmowers. You just want to say, shove them up your rears. If only they'd stop and just think how much quieter it would be for us all. We'd hear every sound from the biggest broom to a cat on a wall. Our lungs would be better, our ears would not ring. It's a plan that's not bad. Just give it a rest and believe that it's not all that mad. Oh, what is a week in the life of yard grass? It grows so damn fast. What's 2 weeks or 3? Please don't play this game all the time with lawnmowers. Let us live in peace. That's it for now. Thank you very much.